Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Java not recognized as internal or external command. To start, open the File Explorer. There, navigate to the path where Java is installed. Open the bin folder and then copy this path. After this, in the search box, enter Environment. Open the option, Edit the System Environment Variables. Here, click on Environment Variables. Now, in System Variables, select the path line and click on Edit. Here, click on New and you will paste the path of the Java bin folder. Press Enter and click on OK. When you complete it, in System Variables, click on New. Assign the name, Java_home. Then, in variable value, paste the Java path. Apply this change. You can close these windows. Now, open the command prompt as administrator. Click on Yes to access. Verify that Java is functional with the command Java less version. Press Enter to see the details of your Java edition in the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.